Hey guys, happy April. I cannot believe we're already 4 months into this year. It's just time is flying. But so is real estate apparently. So just running through a couple of the market update things going on from last month, March 2022. We are seeing an average single family home in the Greater Victoria area selling for 1.433 million. So, there's not too much change from last month, but of course we're quite a bit up from last year, being about 21% up from last year at the same time. When we are looking at the average price of a condo in the Greater Victoria area, we're looking at $672,000. That is again down a little bit, so like not too far off from last month, but then still we're up about that 21% from last year. Townhouses, same thing. We're actually down 6.7% from last month or previous month. So whenever I said last month there, I meant February. But the average price was around $864,000. And that is, again, up 26% from last year. The nice thing that I have spotted is that we do have more listings coming to market. So we're actually at 1,063 listings, which is not huge. It's not great by any means. It doesn't make this a buyer's market, but we are, if we look at it from last month, we're up 25%, which is huge. Because to be like any bit lower than 1,000 is just really hard to find any properties and listings for my buyers. But we are still down 18.9% from last year. I think, as I mentioned before, we'd kind of ideally like to have around 2,500 to 4,000 listings on the market. It just helps create a bit more of a calm, kind of a steady market. So that's kind of what I'm looking forward to. Hopefully that comes back. I know that the government is trying to do things to make it happen. I'm sure you've heard of the cooling off period. Still waiting to see when that will take flight, but I don't really know what effect that will necessarily have on these listings. I do think it's going to be quite a learning curve for a lot of us. That being said, I am seeing more and more listings coming to market, so that's a huge thing. Maybe it is a true spring market coming up again, which we did not see last year or the year before. So crossing fingers that happens, because we'd all like to kind of have some peace and ease to this market again. But I'm here for any reason, season, or lifetime. If you need to chat now about your options or plan for the future, I would love to hear from you. My phone number is 250-634-0002, and I'm always available to hear from you. And hope you're having a great weekend, and we'll chat soon. Bye.